In India, choosing a favorite political party is like finding Royal Bengal tiger in Sahara Desert. With this, I, Sneha Makhadia, is here to illustrate the working of political parties with special reference to Bengal Assembly elections. Let us see how beautiful the capital city of West Bengal, Kolkata, is.
गजरा सियाही दिन रंग जाए तेरी कस्तूरी रैन जगाए मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम तो
Politics in West Bengal is dominated by the following major political parties. First, the All India Trinamool Congress. Second, the Bharatiya Janata Party. Third, the Communist Party of India. And the last, Indian National Congress. Let us see Bengal Assembly Elections 2021. There are 294 seats in the Bengal State Assembly, the polling for which took place through 8 phases between March 27 and April 29. But it ended up being one-sided affair, with TMC winning handsomely with 213 seats, while BJP, which was hoping to form the government, ended up with 77 seats. However, most of the exit poll of West Bengal had predicted win for BJP. Only a few had predicted for TMC. While 3 major alliances are in the fray, the fight was largely between BJP and Trinamool Congress of Mamata Banerjee. The BJP leaders were confident of removing Mamata Banerjee by winning over 213 was Nandigram, where Mamata Banerjee was taking on her former cabinet colleague Suvendu Adhikari. Now let us see why BJP lost the elections. First, the BJP was unable to counter the outsider campaign against them by TMC. Personal attacks and taunts on Banerjee cost them dearly, as people in the state disliked the disrespectful approach to a sitting CM and a woman. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Didi, oh Didi taunt generated anger among even those who were not paying attention to the campaign. Third, BJP failed to connect with the sentiments of Bengalis. Bengalis had always loved and cherished their politics. Party failed to project any leader from the state and ran its entire campaign with central leaders who did not even speak alien to the texture and flavor of the ground they were to work on, clueless about how people behave there. Fourth, BJP overplayed the Hindu card in Bengal. Ram is still an alien god in the state despite the aggressive push to popularize Ram Navami. Fifth, mismanagement of COVID-19. The BJP failed to counter the allegations against Modi government of having messed up in handling the COVID-19 situation. Now let's see why Mamata won. First, women. Bengal has never quite responded well to men who flaunt their muscles. Women here voted for a woman. However, election after election, the women have stood solidly behind Mamata, who has also implemented several welfare measures for them. Her refrain in this election was that she herself is a female and a daughter of Bengal. Second, Muslims. Muslims constitute about 30% of West Bengal's population, and most of the Muslims seem to have voted for the TMC. Third, last 3 phases of election. Mamta continued with her public rallies till the last phase of election. However, the BJP star campaigners, including Modi and Shah, either cancelled their public rallies or held virtual rallies in the last three phases. Congress walkover. All the votes of Indian National Congress has gone to TMC. So, here I give a pause to my speech with a sense of gratitude towards my listeners. Thank you.